This home sits off to itself on over a half-acre double lot in the subdivision of Riviera Heights, with over 3060+ square foot of living space. The living room and family room have an open floor plan that opens up also to the formal dining area. 4 of the spacious bedrooms are on the right side of the home, with the master bedroom being on the opposite side of the home. The large master suite has 2 full master baths, one that is handicap accessible, that can accommodate an owner with special needs. There are 3 other full baths. There is a separate office that is right beside the main home but not connected, with a 1/2 bath that can be used for a business office. This 16 by 16 wired building could also be perfect for a small man cave, workshop or hobby room. This home has a small fenced area for outside pets. Plenty of parking with a 3-car garage attached to the home. Large patio at the back of the home. Off-street parking in office building is located on the home's second lot.